In the realm of the Zodiac, there is one sign that commands attention: bold, courageous, and unapologetically radiant. This is Leo, the fifth sign of the Zodiac, ruled by the sun itself. A Leo doesn't just enter a room, they own it. They walk with the confidence of a lion, a natural leader, and a true ruler of their world. At their core, Leo is about self-expression, creativity, and the desire to shine. Leo is the heart of the Zodiac, filled with passion and charisma. They crave admiration, not out of vanity, but because they believe in their own unique spark. To Leo, the world is a stage, and they are always ready to perform. Whether it's in love, art, or leadership, Leo gives everything they have, expecting nothing less than greatness. But beneath their bold exterior lies a heart that longs to be adored and respected. Leo doesn't just seek attention, they seek validation for their worth. Leo's greatest strength is their innate leadership ability. They don't just follow, they lead. With their charisma and unwavering confidence, Leo inspires those around them to reach for their own greatness. They possess a warmth that draws people in, a magnetic energy that cannot be ignored. They are courageous, never afraid to take risks, and their creativity knows no bounds. Leo is the creator, the performer, and the champion of every cause they hold dear. When they believe in something, they will give everything to see it succeed. But like all great rulers, Leo's pride can sometimes become their downfall. At their worst, Leo can become arrogant, seeking validation to the point of desperation. They can demand attention in unhealthy ways, feeling threatened when they are not the center of it all. Their need for admiration can make them sensitive to criticism, and when they feel unappreciated, their inner lion may lash out, displaying anger or stubbornness. When Leo's pride is bruised, their regal facade cracks, revealing vulnerability they don't often show. Leo is a force of nature, fierce, passionate, and impossible to ignore. They teach us to stand tall, to embrace our power, and to never apologize for shining too brightly. While their pride may sometimes cloud their judgment, their strength lies in their heart. Leo is the lion, the king of the Zodiac, and their roar echoes far and wide.